Hey there, how are you? I am Pavani. In this video, I'm going to give you five most useful Zerodha Streak Scanners that I have created, which you can use to filter your intraday stocks in the first 15 minutes itself. So, as you know, Zerodha has started offering its Streak Scanner service for free. Previously, if you wanted to use it, you had to pay like around 1400 per month. But now, if you have a Zerodha Kite account, you can use it for free. So you just had to go to scanners.streak.tech and you got to log in with your Kite credentials, and then you can create all these scanners, or you can use the ones that are pre-built for free. And I have created 5 scanners for you today, and by using this you can filter your intraday trading stocks. So let's see what are them. So one of them is pre-market conditions. So whether pre-market is bearish or bullish, by that we will select our stocks. And the second one is based on volume, and the third one is based on a strong movement, which are the stocks that has made like a very strong movement in the first 15 minutes itself. Then we will consider those stocks. And then fourth one I am considering price range of yesterday, and fifth one I am considering gap up or gap down opening. So let's see them one by one. So first two are like same, but one is bearish, one is bullish. So let's see the bullish. So what this checks is, you can actually, by the way, you can check for Nifty 50 or Nifty 100. So like this, any of these sectors, you can filter the trades within that stocks within that sector. So the first filter is so the pre-market close is up by 2% from previous day's close. That means in the pre-market itself the stock has made at least 2%. So in the pre-market itself it was like a very bullish, that it made like 2% up move. So if we filter that, we will get all our results, and you can actually sort them by volume. And now we got like power grid, and here you can check the technicals. So it is like slightly bullish, and maybe you can open the chart from here. And well, if you find any trading opportunity here, you can go ahead and make the trade. So for me it looks like it actually came down a little bit to support and retested our support and making a bullish move. So well, it was bullish in the pre-market, and it did actually move up a little bit in the day, but I think it actually came down in the start. But you just gotta check for the chart and of all these things, and if you find a very good structure and very good trading opportunity in any of these stocks, then you can go ahead and make your trade. So that is one. In the first that in that only I made actually bearish version. So instead of up by 2%, I gave down by 2%. So pre-market close is down by 2% from previous day's close. That means in the pre-market itself stock has went down for 2%. That means some serious thing is going on. So we got like 34 stocks, and I will sort them by volume. And we got HDFC. Sorry about that, my alarm. Well, you can check the technicals, and it is actually bullish, but pre-market is bearish. So maybe you wanted to look for something which is bearish overall as well. So NTPC, this is bearish, and you can go look for the chart. And well, seems to me it actually came down to the from the support, and it actually retesting the support, and maybe you can look for some good bearish opportunity. And in the pre-market it actually went down by 2%, and in the day also it actually, if you look from here from 9:15, it actually came down. So well, maybe you can check for this level, and if you had made this trade, you would have made some really all right. So that's about our first scanner, pre-market bearish or pre-market bullish. And next one I'm checking for volume. So I gave like 15 minutes volume is higher than the 15 minutes moving average volume of last 150 candles. So this is the number I just gave in the go, but you can make it 50 or you can make it 100, and that based on your view you can make that number. But overall I am just checking whether my 15 minutes volume is higher than the last past moving average volume. So then if you run it now, of course it will consider the last 15 minutes candle, but if you run it in the first 15 minutes of the market opening, then it will consider that only, and you can check the stocks, the results that came then, and you can sort by volume. And I got Tata Steel here. Well, so likewise, if you find a very good trading opportunity in any of these SPI, in any of these charts, then you can go ahead and place your trade. And the third one is I'm checking for the stocks that made a very strong move in the first 15 minutes. So well, how I'm checking that is the VWAP of 15 minutes is higher than the last 20 days average VWAP. So VWAP moving average of 20 period for day time frame. So that's what I'm checking here. So if I run that, I got like all these ones. Axis Bank tops the list. So I'll go to the chart, and well, seems like it actually broke some kind of support here, and maybe you can look for retesting, and maybe you can actually make some trading here if you find the opportunity. Likewise, you can check for remaining list of stocks as well. All right, and the fourth one is price range. So what I'm here is previous day's close is up by 2% from previous day's open. So there is 2% movement that went upwards in the yesterday's trading session. That means you can actually make it down as well. So down by option is also there. You can change it to that. So overall, the yesterday's trading range, whether if you make it down by as well, so the range is like more than usual. 2% means, so maybe you can look for the results, and if you find like there is PNB. All right, so seems like I had already drawn something here. So there is this retesting of stock has touched the trend line support, and maybe you can look for retesting, and if you find some really good buy opportunity, you can place a trade. So likewise, you can check for other stocks as well that came into the list, and if you find a good opportunity, you can trade. And the last one is gap opening. So what I'm checking is whether the stock opened, whether gap up or gap down. You can make it Nifty 50, and so days open is higher than previous day's high. That means it made gap up or match any. So either this or this. Days open is lower than previous day's low. That means gap down has happened. So maybe you can just check the technicals of this, and if there is confluence, so technicals are bearish and there is gap down happened, and there is break of support here. So likewise, if you find a really good opportunity, you can place a trade and you can make good money. So those are the 5 scanners I wanted to give it to you. Well, if you find the video useful, please click like button and share the video with whoever may find it useful, and subscribe to Philo Decide. And thanks for watching.